folks, how's it going? Robert here. We're going to do a bit of a boil test. This side is methanol alcohol, on this side is ibupropanol. Cups are the same size. We're going to see which ones boil water the fastest. See if methanol or ibupropanol will do it. Same cup, same amount of water. We'll wait until the stoves blossom. When they blossom, I will put the This is not a speed test for time. This is a speed test to see which one boils water faster. We're going to spread this one out a little. Still see both of them? Yep. Well, the methanol seemed to produce a blossom faster. Let's see how it works. Oh, methanol, oh, it did, it went out, or the ibuprofen went out. Not hot enough. Bummer, should have had the lighter out. And this ibuprofen is 99% pure, but see that? It's blackened in the cup. I think ibuprofen already lost. Doesn't burn as clean as methanol, that's for sure. Oh, it's hot, dude. Just wouldn't be right if I didn't burn myself. That ibuprofen stinks. Stinks. Something fierce. Well, I think I'm going to stick to methanol. Ibuprofen will work if you're in a pinch, but how black and sooty it is. So much for selling that cup and stove after burnt ibuprofen in it. That ibuprofen is 99.9% pure too. Man, is it ever producing a lot of soot. You know, it might boil first, eh? All them orange flames shooting up the side of that. Boys, it's close, eh? The ibuprofen had to be restarted too. Oh man, I think ibuprofen's gonna win. Come on, methanol! Oh. Ibuprofenol wins. And I had to restart the stove. Oh, roll and boil. Oh, that was... You guys decide which one it was, because I think it was the ibuprofenol. Then I had to restart the stove, so it had to re-blossom again, too. So let's see which one burns longest. Same amount of fuel in each one. That's wicked. This one's dirty, though, man. Look at the size of that cup compared to that. That thing's clean as a whistle. Wicked. See how pretty it looks in the dark. Holy. The ibuprofenol is dangerous. I might need a fire extinguisher. Methanol on the left, ibuprofen on the right. We're at like 9 minutes of recording, so... That ibuprofen stinks. The ibuprofen thing seems to be boiling more of the water away, eh? Just boiling at a higher temperature than the... Interesting. I'm never going to get that cup clean. Ever! And I don't want to drink out of it. I don't want ibuprofen all over my lips. Nasty. $10.30. Okay. There's still lots of fuel left in that one. Alright, might need a fire extinguisher. Well, let's see. I'm going to put it out and show you the differences in fuel. Holy! That was explosive beat! So, here's what's in there for ibuprofen. Yeah. Okay. I think there's more ibuprofen in there, but hard to tell without actually doing a measuring test. Anyway, cool test. Talk to you later.